What's up, guys? Welcome back. We're doing another vlog this week. So with that being said, what I wanted to talk to you guys about was I just shipped off our first giveaway, those powder coated valve covers. And ever since I did that video, started talking about that video, I had like 65 subscribers or something like that. And that was like a month and a half ago. I'm up to like 360, I think, right now. So that's awesome. Thank you guys for that. With that being said, the growth has been so fast on this channel. I'm doing another giveaway. And this time it's for something a little more impressive. So when it boils down to it, what is the one thing every LS guy wants to do or loves if they haven't already done it? A cam. So with that being said, and just because of how fast the growth on the channel's been, what my plan is I'm going to be giving away a BTR Stage 3 camshaft once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So again, pretty simple to get signed up for it. All you have to do is subscribe, like, comment, share. And that enters you in. You don't have to buy anything. All you got to do is subscribe, comment, like, share. Super simple. If you want to get interested in that, I'll kind of go over more details on like the specs of the cam and whatnot. I'm going to go outside here in a bit. I got some rear bumper lettering I'm going to throw on. We can talk about the giveaway while I'm doing that. Alright guys, so I'm just doing on the rear bumper of the C5, they have these letters right here. So I just got these little stick on like 3D raised letters. Man, this thing is dirty. Hate living out in the middle of nowhere. But they just go inside these little dimples, I guess you could call them, for the Corvette lettering. I like the look, it kind of gives it that C7 look. So we're just going to take some alcohol wipes and kind of clean all the grease and stuff out of the lettering. I need to wash this thing. I haven't really driven it a whole lot lately. The weather, this Wyoming weather sucks. So anyway, that's kind of my plan. So I'm going to be ordering a BTR Stage 3, and I'll throw the camshaft specs up on the screen here, but it's their Stage 3 NA LS1, so 485360 LS126. And like I said, just doing their BTR, the Stage 3, and I'm gonna be giving it away once I reach 1,000 subscribers. Now that being said, faster you guys subscribe, faster is one of you guys is gonna get it. So, like I said, all you have to do, like, share, comment, subscribe. So this is gonna take a little bit of time, I think, so I'm going to get these thrown on, and I'll see you guys back in the house.
To the limit.
All right, guys, now that that's done, we can kind of go over this giveaway a little bit more. So like I said, it's a BTR Stage 3 cam. That's 231, 242 duration, 617 over 592 lift with a 112 LSA. So it's a fairly aggressive cam. People make good power with them. It's still streetable, in my opinion. So like I said, all I gotta do, hit 1,000 subscribers. So we got like 650 of you guys. Just need to click that button. Pretty simple. I'll keep doing updates and stuff, throwing it in with my other content. So like I said, LS, I do a little bit of truck stuff with the Tahoe, the C5 Corvette. So if you're into that kind of stuff, this is the place to be. I mean, that's all there is to it. There's no catch, there's no gimmick, there's no send me your credit card information so I can charge you $19.99 shipping, nothing like that. I cover shipping, I cover the part, and with that, it's, you know, it is what it is. So that being said, again, for the last time of you hearing me say this, like, comment, share, subscribe. All you gotta do, just comment your name down down below the video, and that'll get you signed up. So all there is to it. Thanks. Peace out.